Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Rachel here with vicrez.com, and here in front of me we have a few products made for your 2013 to 2016 Scion FRS Subaru BRZ and Toyota 86 model vehicles. Now these aren't just any random old parts that we just smacked together. You see, in this video, we are looking to help you recreate an iconic look that is world-renowned and sought after by track stars, drifters, and JDM junkies everywhere. From front fin canards to a rear window louver, just add a carbon fiber ducktail spoiler, and then all you would be missing is our V1 wide body fender flare kit, VZ100550, which is an 8-piece fender flare kit for your 2013 to 16 Scion FRS, Subaru BRZ, and Toyota 86 vehicles. Now, what's really neat about this particular kit is that you have more than just one installation option for more than just one body style. You have the ability to purchase the whole body kit in full, which includes all 8 pieces for both the front and rear fenders. Or you can choose to customize the look of your vehicle by opting out of the full kit and instead purchasing either just the front or the rear set of wide body fender flares. Yeah, you heard that right. Fill up the front or beef up the back. These wide body fender flares give you total control when looking to build up your dream BRZ, mod out your FRS, or gear up in your GT86. Staying at the front end for now, we also have VZ100451, our carbon fiber front top fin canards for your FRS, BRZ, and GT86. The purpose of these top fin canards is to help alter the aerodynamic characteristics of your vehicle. They are too small to generate large amounts of downforce on their own. Instead, they are used to fine-tune vehicle handling and response. If the canards are positioned correctly, they are precise aerodynamic tools, and they act in a way to help keep high-pressured air around the car from entering the low-pressured underbody, thus making it able to generate more downforce. Unfortunately, the placement and position of any canard ultimately will create some unwanted drag. Thankfully, once installed, those canards work to counteract that unwanted drag by providing a very small but big enough amount of downforce at the front of the vehicle, which then adjusts the balance and distribution of downforce between the front and the rear wheels of your vehicle. But from the front and then heading on to the back, we have VZ101688, our Vicrez V3R rear window louver. Now, window louvers are essentially souped up shades for your car. The word louver itself means a series of slats, but these slats will do more than just offer you shade. When installed directly onto the rear window, you'll surely be pleased to find that there is more than just a cosmetic upgrade here, with the install intentions being amplified from looking cool to now being kept cool. This rear window louver actively works towards reducing sun glare and lowering the window surface temperature, which will then turn into an additional bonus: decreased cabin temperatures. With the surface temperature of your window being kept cooler, you'll find the interior of your car several degrees cooler than average, even on the hottest days. Specifically made to fit those FRS and BRZ vehicles that were manufactured during the 2013 to 2016 production years, VZ101148 is a rear wing spoiler that not only provides you with an edgy, aggressive, one-of-a-kind design, but also a product that is up to 80% lighter than factory parts. With an OEM fit, you'll be pleased to find that this rear wing spoiler is not just an aesthetic upgrade, but also purposeful, helping you to achieve maximum weight reduction without compromise, as our carbon fiber products are ultra lightweight and extremely durable. With the function of a rear wing spoiler having been perfected down to a science, it is no surprise that a spoiler is designed to disrupt the airflow that is passing over and around a moving vehicle while working to reduce any generated lift without adding any additional weight to the car. This ultimately will help keep your car more stable at higher speeds, improving traction without affecting performance. Rear wing spoilers are optimal aerodynamic devices that were designed to function within the automotive industry to literally spoil unfavorable air movement across the body of a vehicle in motion, which is known as generating extra or unwanted turbulence and drag. These advantages can be seen readily upon completing installation. Instead of having a heavy car, which is slow, or having a very light car, which is easily pushed around on the road, you now have a car that sticks better the faster it goes. And a well-designed spoiler will continually generate consistent downforce, meaning that on average, a rear spoiler will be able to produce as much as 8 pounds of downforce for every 1 pound of generated drag or lift. But even though this spoiler wing is both visually pleasing and purposeful, please be advised that carbon fiber requires specialized skills to properly install, and Vicrez recommends professional installation by an accredited automotive body shop first and foremost, especially before suggesting or recommending any DIY or self-installation. Most importantly, we ask that you please be sure to test fit any and all new aftermarket products before having them installed, modified, or painted in any way. And if you like what you see and you want to see more, stay tuned. We have more videos out every week. Just be sure you hit that like button below, head on over to our YouTube channel and subscribe. You'll get the 411 on our newest product releases first. And if you're looking to get the latest deals and discounts sent straight to your inbox, head on over to vicrez.com and subscribe to our weekly newsletter.